Find the exact value of the 6 trigonometric functions of the angle theta in the figure. We are given a right triangle. The two legs that are perpendicular, one leg is labeled 3 units, the other leg is labeled 6 units. The angle opposite the side labeled 3 is labeled as theta. To begin, we must find the length of the hypotenuse of our right triangle. Let's label the hypotenuse C. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem, we know that c squared must equal 3 squared plus 6 squared. This implies that c squared is equal to 9 plus 36. This implies that c squared is equal to 45. Taking the square root of both sides and only using the positive value because we're dealing with the length of a side, c is equal to the square root of 45, which can be simplified to 3 root 5. Now that we have the fact that our hypotenuse length is 3 root 5, we can now find the 6 trigonometric values of our angle theta. Let's begin with the sine of angle theta. We know that sine theta will equal the opposite side over hypotenuse. The opposite side from angle theta is equal to 3, and the hypotenuse is 3 root 5. Therefore, sine theta is equal to 3 over 3 root 5. Simplifying this fraction gives us 1 over the square root of 5, which, after rationalization, gives us root 5 over 5. So sine theta equals root 5 over 5. Next, let's find cosine theta. The cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side over hypotenuse. The adjacent side of angle theta is 6 units. The hypotenuse is 3 root 5. So cosine theta equals 6 over 3 root 5. Simplifying this fraction results in 2 over root 5, which then becomes 2 root 5 over 5. Tangent theta will equal opposite side over adjacent side, which implies tangent theta equals opposite side 3 over adjacent side 6. Therefore, tangent theta equals 3 over 6, which equals 1/2. Now that we have sine, cosine, and tangent of theta, we can find the other 3 trigonometric values by simply taking reciprocals. Cosecant theta will equal the reciprocal of sine theta, and sine theta was known to equal 1 over the square root of 5. The reciprocal of 1 over square root of 5 is equal to root 5. So cosecant theta equals the square root of 5. Next, let's find secant theta. Secant theta will equal the reciprocal of the cosine theta, which we calculated earlier as being 2 over the square root of 5. Taking the reciprocal of 2 over root 5 gives us root 5 over 2. So secant theta equals the square root of 5 over 2. Finally, the cotangent of theta will be the reciprocal of tangent theta. Tangent theta was equal to 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is equal to 2. Therefore, cotangent theta equals 2.